OneDrive is Microsoft's file storage and file sharing system. It is fantastic, it works really well, and it is where you will store all of your university files. Whilst you're at Loughborough, you are sharing everything on OneDrive. So this is my browser, and you can see lots of files. This is my OneDrive online. Now, how did I get to this? I've got the OneDrive extension installed on my Mac. So I just click on that little cloud there, which is OneDrive, and say view online. I can also say open folder, and that's going to open this folder here. I do all of my work in here. You'll see business card there. I've got research proposals. I've got students. I've got everything I do is in here. All my teaching is there. So this is great because these files are actually stored on a Loughborough server. So even though it's OneDrive, the computer is somewhere in Loughborough, which means that if there's a problem, we know where the files are. We can recover them. If your laptop gets lost or destroyed, we can easily get your files back. So you are safe. So you will be installing OneDrive. You'll be opening the folder like I did just then, and you will be storing all of your Loughborough work here. And I'm going to be very clear on this. I mean store everything here. I do not mean keep it on your desktop and then move it into OneDrive now and then. No, I mean you create folders such as my teaching ones here, and you will keep everything in there. And that just makes it easy to work with. An important part is sharing folders. So often you are in a team. When I'm making a module such as DSP 830 interaction design, I share it with the other lecturers. I share it with other people so we can collaborate. So I'm going to go through what you do. How do you share one of these folders? Well, it's really easy. I'm going to share the induction folder with you right now. So I'm in OneDrive, right click, at the bottom it says share. Really important there. It opens up this little folder here. It's going to be saying loading for a second. And then I'm going to put a name in there. I'm going to put Andrew May, A.J.May. Here he is, handsome gentleman. And I'm going to click here and say Andrew can edit. Now, if you're sharing it with team members, you want to make sure you can edit them. If you're sharing it with just people online, maybe you want to say can view. Maybe you want to say can view but cannot download. It depends, but generally can edit is the best one. Then you say, hi Andrew, here is the shared folder for our 2024 user experience programs joint induction next week. Thanks, Chris. So I click send. Now Andrew will get an email saying I've got this induction access, and he can just click on his link in the email, taking him straight to this folder. And you'll see now it's got a little icon there with two people. That shows that I have shared it. Now if Andrew emails me and says, hi Chris, I can't find the link, I can say copy link. Now, straight away, it's been copied to my desktop. So if I was to open up an email, I could just drop it in there. But it's worth clicking on settings. So I can say people with existing access can have that link, which means that I've already shared with Andrew May, so Andrew May can view it. If I share this link with someone else, such as on Twitter or X or Redbook or any other platform, they can't access it because only myself and Andrew made it. If I change this button to people in your organisation, everyone in Loughborough University can access it. Everyone in the university. So if I share it on X or Redbook, they can't access it because they're not at university, but we can. If I select anyone, it means that I can put this link online, and until a date I choose, Saturday the 19th of October, anyone in the world can access it. That's really useful for me when I'm doing research with people in China or Saudi Arabia, but you're doing student projects, so it's much better to say either anyone in your organization, or even better, people with existing access. So I can put the settings. Anyway, I've copied this link, so I could just jump up into Microsoft Word, or I could jump up into any other format, and I could do that. And just to show you how this works, add a document. Word Online is fantastic software. So I'm just going to paste in here. That's my link. So anyone with that in Loughborough University can view it. I'm going to click on this link now. See where it takes me. It takes me to that shared OneDrive folder. And that is how you share OneDrive folders.